We are talking about arcs, chords, and tangents. And for example 4, we want to use properties of tangents. So in A and B, assume segments that appear to be tangent are tangent. So if we're looking at A, it appears that we have two lines that are tangent. So what I want to do is I want to draw a few things on here just to illustrate where the tangent is. So there's point T, and if it is tangent, that means that it forms a 90 degree with a radius. And here is the other side, which is also appears to be tangent. So I'm going to illustrate that it is tangent. And if those are tangent, then we know that two lines that are tangent, or two segments that are tangent to the same circle and connect at the same point, are congruent. So we can say SU, line segment SU, is congruent to line segment ST. And then we can substitute in the values where we have SU is equal to 5x plus 1. And ST is equal to 7x minus 3. So what we want to do is we want to subtract 5x from both sides. So I'm going to subtract 5x here and subtract 5x here. And we're going to be left with just 1 on the left side. And that's going to be equal to 2x minus 3. And then we can add 3 to both sides of the equal sign. And we're going to be left with 4 is equal to 2x. And then we can divide both sides by 2. And we get 2 is equal to x. And then we look at B, and it says solve for x and the perimeter of triangle ABC. And remember, things that look to be tangent are tangent. So we have a lot of lines that are tangent, a lot of segments that are tangent here. So right there is a 90-degree angle. Point at V here. This is also going to be a 90-degree angle. And then at T is also going to be a 90-degree angle. So even though this is a triangle, on the outside we have a BCD triangle, which has 3 sides. Because of these tangents, it really breaks it into 6 sides. And remember, if we have a point that is 2 line segments that are tangent and meet at a point are congruent. So what that means is we can say that these two are equal to each other. We can say that 18 is equal to 3x. So we divide by 3, and we get 6 is equal to x. So that was the first part. It says solve for x. And the next part says find the full perimeter. Well, these are all congruent. So if this one is, these are congruent, put 3 marks there. These are congruent, so we can put 2 marks here. And then these are congruent. I'm going to put 4 marks here. So we have 18, 18, 12, 12, and we got to figure out what this one is. And the way that we do that is we can just say UD, the distance UD is equal to 52 because that was given, and then we're going to subtract 18. So UD is equal to 34. So when we go ahead to find the perimeter of triangle BCD, that is equal to, we have two 34s, so we're going to say 2 times 34, and then we're going to say plus 2 times 18, because we have two 18s there, plus 2 times 12. And when we put those all together, multiply and then add, we get the perimeter of triangle BCD is equal to 128.